I deliberately, I extra choose this turtleneck pullover for the one last thing. So 2017, and because here are only a few people knowing the report, I expected that. And I briefly would like to introduce you to the idea of the report. So we started in 2017. We means Peter Beer curated the first report. And this was a kind of inventory of topics. So we asked ourselves, what do we have to deal with as developers and designers very curiously when we deal with IoT environments? And so it was like a kind of joyful playing the first time with IoT. And the next was a 2018 report. And we took a closer look with this report at the conflict between technology and ethics. Obviously, there was one, or there still is one. So we ask ourselves, will there be trust? And if so, is it justified? This was created as well by Peter Beer. And the 2019 report was the first printed one. And here, for the first time, we had an embracing topic. And this report was the reaction to the dark suspicion that IoT could turn against us, surprisingly. And we did not want to surrender, but to find and to present ways out. So we named it Small Escapes from Surveillance Capitalism. With this report, we reflected on and showcased how we can resist surveillance capitalism today. The next report was a printed one as well. And by the way, all the reports who would like to do it can be read on the website, on the ThingsCon website, still today. So the 2020 report, so with this report we tried to look optimistically from good things to good systems. So we always try to see the good things, so we try to foster good developments. Although there have been some critical voices, like doing good, a design impossibility, for instance, from Alexandra. So we ask ourselves, can there be good things, and what could they be? In this report, this was for the first time accompanied by a podcast series with 10 contributions. And for the first time, we had some authors from outside, so from not inside our ThingsCon family, I would say. So we invited some authors from outside. Some of them are here today. I look at you. Then the big C came, and we had other topics in our mind than producing reports. But with the next year, we have the big anniversary of ThingsCon, and then we decided to make another report, and we decided to turn the review into a preview. So we want to take action and ensure that there are tangible ideas and concepts for a desirable future. So here in this room, there are so many people who deal with critical design, speculative design, desirable futures, conception. And we would like to embrace all that ideas. So the question is, when the sky is the limit and anything goes, it is sometimes difficult to imagine how everything should be. So in former times, we had a clear vision, and technology should save us. But now this vision is gone, obviously. And so we need to produce new visions. And as we read, a vision without execution is just an hallucination. And therefore, we would like to ask all of our former authors, but all people who want to contribute to such an idea, to help that we don't have only hallucinations about desired futures, but facets of possible solutions. Solution is the wrong term. Possible artifacts for desired futures that we can discuss about. So this is our call for participation for the next RIOT report.